Hi Natalie, this is Steve, and I want to thank you for taking a look at this video that I prepared for you. And in this short video, I'm going to give you three quick tips on how that you can increase your online presence. And when you put these three tips into action, you will definitely start beating out your competition online and significantly increase your customer base. So let's get started. The first area that I want to cover is content. And content is basically anything that you see on your website. Words, even pictures are all included in content. And Google loves to see over 1,500 to 2,000 words of written content to optimize your website. The more content that your website has that includes specific keywords and phrases that your customers are using to search for you, your Google rank and traffic will increase substantially. And I'll touch a little bit later on how to get the right keywords. But I wanted to show you this here, and I got your website pulled up. And this is a tool that we use that kind of gives us an information page for your website. And you can see your total number of keywords is 637. So there's a lot of work that could be done there that would be very simple to do to increase your online presence. And little things too, like the pictures, the way that they're saved is also important. If you look at this here, it's saved as a date. This should be saved as your company name or a very strong search phrase. Cleaning services of Cincinnati, something like that something simple would help your online presence a lot and move you up the rankings. You have a lot of looks like review stuff on your website. You could have a lot of work done to your website here. We could have some different pages of the services that you offer. This is pretty basic, and it's not getting you found for anything. And so that's pretty much what content covers. The next area that I want to talk about is what's called citations. And this is a Google search that I did, Natalie, here. So cleaning service Cincinnati, which comes up as the top search that people put in when they're going to search for cleaning services in Cincinnati. Makes sense, right? So citations are basically your name, your address, and your phone number in different directories online. And a directory is areas like Yelp or Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, Better Business Bureau, and there's hundreds of them. And this is what's called the Google Map Pack right in underneath the businesses. So it's right up at the top of the first page when you do a search. And to get into these three, you need to have a good amount of citations. And there is a website that we use that documents how many citations you have. And here you are right at the top here, and you have 6 citations. Not sure if you're aware of what they are or if you did them or not, but you're on YouTube, Facebook, Bing, Chamber of Commerce, and Local PX are your 6 citations. So these are very easy to populate. We can get into adding a bunch of those, and if I go back here, you can kind of see some of your competition here. The highest are 20s, some hit kind of the mid-30s. Looks like it's kind of the highest one. And if you go and look, house calls, the maids, they're going to be ranked really high. So if we go back here, there's the maids. They're right at the top because they were in the mid-20s. And who else did we see? House calls, there they are right there, they're 6th. Now this here is the next area I want to talk about. So this is the map pack. This next area is what's called the organic list of Google. And the way that you get ranked high here is with what's called backlinks. And backlinks are basically anywhere where you find one website linking to another website via a clickable blue hyperlinked text. And I'm sure you're familiar with those. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from other businesses, which Google uses to build trust in your business, because basically they're seeing that others are vouching for you by having you on their website. And there is another website that we use that documents this. You currently have 3 referring domains, which is getting you shown for 3 backlinks. And you have 0 keywords, organic keywords, that are populating your website, which is bringing no traffic to your website. So you basically do not have any online presence at all. If I go to one of your one of your competition here, Get Swept Away, they're doing pretty good, and this is their comparison. They have 69 referring domains, 314 backlinks. They have 92 keywords, and this is what keywords are. So I said I was searching cleaning service Cincinnati, 500. These are 500 hits that monthly are trying to find cleaning services in Cincinnati. And they have all of these keywords in their website, and they're getting all of these hits when people are searching for that. And if you go and look here and look for Get Swept Away, I think they're in the top 10. Oh, they didn't even make the first page here. I think they're pretty quick on the next page. Get Swept Away right there, 14th. So they're on the second page, which is still, we could do even way better than that, and you can see how much business that they're driving from just having the correct keywords in their content of their website. So, and just to give you a good idea of kind of how powerful this is, once you have your contents, your citations, your backlinks working, Natalie, everything comes together and you start to grow out past your competitors, and you start gaining traffic. The industry standard is roughly 1/10, so 10% of the people that click on your website will call you for an estimate, for more information. So basically 100 people a month are clicking on this company's website. So they're getting probably 10 calls, give or take. And if you close half of those, which is pretty typical, they're generating 5 brand new customers every month just by having their website set up correctly. So you can do the math, what a customer means to you as far as revenue, but this is very beatable, and they're not even on the first page of the organic search. So this is basically what I do, and this is kind of what I wanted to go over with you. I apologize I've gone over the 5 minutes that I promised you, but I had a lot to discuss with you here. So if you do find yourself wanting some more traffic and some more customers, there's a lot that we could do for you, and there's a lot of different areas that we can help out in. So feel free to reach out, and we can talk about your goals and what I can do some research and find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. So thanks again for watching my video, Natalie. My name is Steve. I really hope this helps, and have a great day.